The next money we're going to talk about is borrowed money, student loans. The first loan that may be listed on your award letter is the Federal Perkins Loan. These loans are in the student's name, and they're made through the school's financial aid office. They're awarded to students with exceptional financial need. The maximum amount that a student can receive is $5,500. Now, that's as of today. Please understand that any of these programs could change in the future, but as of today, the maximum amount that they can get in any academic year is $5,500. Again, these loans are in the student's name, and one of the great perks of the Perkins loan is that the government will pay the interest for the student while they're in school. So while the student is enrolled at least half-time in a degree-seeking program, no interest accumulates on this loan. Once they separate from the school and they do go into repayment, there is a fixed interest rate of 5%. There's no origination fee tied to this loan, and once in repayment, the students will pay back the money directly to the school. Standard repayment term is 10 years with a grace period of 9 months. The other type of money that should be listed on your award letter is Stafford loans. This, again, is loans that are in the student's name. They're government loans, and the standard repayment term on this particular product is 10 years with a 6-month grace period. And again, these loans are in the student's name. There's two types of loans that could be listed under the Stafford program. That's a subsidized loan and an unsubsidized loan. A subsidized loan is awarded to eligible students based on financial need. And just like the Perkins loan, the government will pay the interest for the student while they're in school. Once the student separates from school, the interest rate is 3.4% with a 1% origination fee. So again, it's in the student's name. The government pays the interest for them while they're in school, and when they do separate from school, it's a fixed interest rate of 3.4%. Now, the other type of Stafford loans that are available to everyone up to the cost of attendance is unsubsidized loan. Now, unsubsidized loans are loans that are awarded to all eligible students, and they're not based on need. Students are responsible for the interest, but while they're in school, they do not have to pay anything. When they separate from the school, the interest rate is 6.8% with a 1% loan fee. Now, the amount of money that you can qualify for depends on two things. It will depend on the student's status and the year that they're in school. So are they a dependent student or an independent student? And are they a freshman, sophomore, junior, or senior in school? My guess is that the majority of the attendees on the call today have young adults who will be a freshman in college come August 2011. And my guess would also be that most of them will be traditional freshman students and that they are still dependent students. So these dependent students should have up to $5,500 listed on their award letter in Stafford loans. If you have a question around that particular opportunity available to your student, or you don't see the $5,500 listed on your Stafford loan, on your award letter, please definitely be sure to reach out to us at the scholarhelp@studentchoice.org so that we can talk a little more in detail about your young adult's award letter. Because again, most of them should have Stafford money listed on their award letter. There's a few exceptions as to why a student would not receive it, but for the most part, most students are eligible for all Stafford loans.